stop. Don't let this moment pass you by without taking advantage of it. Assalamu alaikum. Laylatul Qadr is greater than 1,000 months. Imagine waiting for 1 year at a train station. And then when the train arrives, you stand and watch it whilst the doors open and close and the train leaves you waiting for another year. That is the example of Laylatul Qadr, a night which presents itself to us only once each year. I urge you to donate Sadaqah tonight to our most critical campaign, which can continually earn you millions of rewards until you meet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The International Open University, IOU, urgently needs regular monthly support to carry out its massive 1 million scholarships for African youth, en masse, which will shape the futures of many destitute people on the continent. Inshallah. I'm looking for as little as only 1,000 people to regularly give $10 per month. If that $10 contribution falls on Laylatul Qadr, you would be rewarded the equivalent of nearly $3 million, Allah willing. This opportunity is not one to be missed. Donate on the link below, and lastly, please share this video with others. Jazakumullahu khairan, barakallahu fikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.